Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Go Getter with another one. Today we're going to talk about this Wickerbill spoiler. Is it worth it? Is the Wickerbill spoiler worth it? Yes, it is. It is definitely worth it. Man, as you can see, it gives the car a whole new look. A whole new look. This car looks so fucking badass. Man. This Wickerbill is the shit. I got this Wickerbill from these guys, this company on Instagram. They call themselves 3D Engineering. I will leave a link to their Instagram page down below. But man, this is one of the best looking Wickerbills I've seen for the 6th Gen Camaro. I'm trying to get all these different angles so you guys can see. This Wickerbill is freaking sick. Man, the day I put this Wickerbill on, I had so many people stop and stare, ask me, hey man, where'd you get that Wickerbill? I've never seen that one. Like, in my opinion, this is one of the better looking Wickerbills, because I've looked at the Wickerbill for Z01 add-ons, and I don't like that one because it sits up too high and then there's like a gap in between. I don't like that. And this Wickerbill, it hooks up to your factory spoiler. If you have an SS, hooks up to your factory spoiler. What was that? You said how much did it cost? I'm glad you asked. This Wickerbill was only 250 bucks with fast shipping. It's shipped in like a week, and the shipping is free. And the company will work with you. When I ordered my first one, FedEx broke it. It came in broke, snapped in half. I emailed the company instantly, and those guys did a great job with shipping me out another one, shipping me out new brackets that hook up to the Wickerbill. Man, this is just a sick Wickerbill, man. Like, it's sick. It's so sick. The car looks ridiculously crazy. Crazy. What was that? You said, where did my Camaro emblems go? On the side of the car. Oh, well, let me show you. There's my Instagram if you guys want to follow. I no longer have the Camaro emblems. I have these Decepticon emblems, which you can barely see because there's no good lighting. Boom. Those are my Decepticon emblems that I just got from Rebadge Design. I want to say that's his name on Instagram. I will leave a link in the description below so you can check him out too. These are pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. I had to change the way my Camaro looked, because to me I look like every other silver Camaro. But now I stand out. But back to the Wickerbill. Wickerbill is sick. Look at those angles. Sick with it. Sick with it. I would recommend this Wickerbill for anybody with a 6th Gen Camaro with the factory spoiler. I mean, mine's is kind of dirty in the inside right here, you might can see. I think when the guys put it on, they didn't clean it. But all in all, this Wickerbill is the shit, and I would recommend it to anyone. So hey, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, a little short quick video. So if you like the content that I just showed you, please like and subscribe. Leave me comments, good comments, bad comments, I don't care. Any feedback is good feedback, like I always say. So I'm signing out, and I'll see y'all in the next video.